Brink's, a trusted name in security since 1859. Programming your digital deadbolt. You can set the deadbolt to automatically lock after a certain period of time. To turn this feature on, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter the programming code and press the Brink's button. Once the button flashes orange, press 5 and then press the Brink's button again. The default time delay is 30 seconds. Test this function by retracting the bolt and waiting 30 seconds until the lock extends the bolt automatically. To turn the auto lock off, simply enter the programming sequence again.